Canada is home to a variety of fascinating and unique birds. Although it's not easy to classify the most exotic birds, as this can depend on personal perspective, here are some of the birds that many people consider fascinating and relatively uncommon in Canada. Pileated woodpecker, Glaucous pileatus. This large woodpecker is known for its distinctive red head and imposing size. Black-bellied plover, Pileated squatarola. A common migratory bird in northern Canada during the summer, characterized by its whitish wings and distinctive vocalizations. Bald eagle, Pileated leucocephalus. The national symbol of Canada, this majestic bald eagle is seen in aquatic and coastal areas. Horned grebe, Podicepsoritis. With its unique appearance, this grebe is known for its ear-like feathers and is often spotted in Canadian lakes. Snowy owl, Buboscandiacus. One of the most iconic birds of the Canadian Arctic, with its white plumage and large yellow eyes. Glaucous gull, Larus glaucoides. Found in the Arctic and subarctic regions of Canada, this gull has an elegant look and is a species with a unique appearance. Merlin, Falco columbarius. A small falcon that migrates to Canada during the summer, known for its agility and speed in flight. Osprey, Pandion haliaetus. Found in coastal areas and around lakes, this eagle specializes in hunting fish. Blackpoll Warbler, Setophaga striata. A small songbird with beautiful, vibrant plumage, known for its melodious singing. Common raven, Corvus corax. While not exactly exotic, the common raven is an intelligent and adaptable species, often associated with legends and stories. Remember that the definition of exotic can vary from person to person, and many fascinating birds can be found throughout Canada, each with its own unique characteristics. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.